What's going on, guys? I have a special treat for you today. I went to the P.O. box and some things arrived in the mail. Shout out to the JDFam. I figured we'll unbox them together, but first I'll give you guys a little updated setup tour of the stream room. I moved a few things around and I know you guys love seeing the setup or finding out what's new in the room, so we'll talk about that today. I'll show you guys here in this video. Let's hop right into it. Here is your behind the scenes look of the whole gaming setup. This is what I see every single day when I go live. On the left side of the desk, we don't really have anything crazy. A couple controllers if, one goes bad. Got to keep the AirPods ready for some music if you need a regain. If everybody's third partying me or shooting me in the cheeks, you guys know that happens every single day. But here is the newest addition to the gaming setup. We have a 27-inch curved gigabyte 165 hertz monitor for my tech nerds out there. We got the Elgato key lights to keep the lighting pristine in the stream room. Crispy quality for the JDFam. You guys know the vibes. And then we still have the standard 2721D gaming monitor. It's an Alienware 240 hertz 27-inch. As you can see, we were just recently shooting some bots trying to make sure that the shot is staying crispy and fire. We still have the A6400 camera for the webcam on stream with a 16mm Sigma lens. That thing is heat. I believe it's an f2 lens, so it's great in low lighting. And this right here is just a standard Asus monitor. Nothing really crazy. I think it's like 120 hertz, 24-inch. I literally just have it so I can edit. And this is where I keep OBS open while I'm live streaming. Some other key components to the live stream are, of course, this right here is probably my favorite part of the setup. This is a Battle Beaver custom controller. It looks like a standard PS4 until you flip it over and you see two buttons on the left and you see two buttons on the right. Those four buttons are connected to these four buttons and make it a lot easier for you to play. I can swap weapons, reload, jump, slide, whatever I need to do, all without taking my thumbs off the left and right analog sticks. As you'll see on my right analog stick, I do have a Control Freak on it. I don't know the exact name for it, but it is the smallest one you can get. I really like it for helping keep my aim frosty. If you guys feel like your aim is kind of, shaky or just needs a little bit of an adjustment, you might want to look into a Control Freak. It'll help you out potentially. On the gaming setup, we got a couple books. Some of y'all know I'm doing the 75 hard with some JDFam members. So we got some books on deck that I got from Target for 30% off. Y'all know that we're a bargain shopper out here. We looking for those deals. But as for the rest of the room, we also got some new blue lighting. I freaking love this light. This is one of the best things I've ever done. These are GoV strip lights. I think it was 32 feet, wraps around, JDevise neon sign. By the way, y'all love this thing. I didn't have it up for one day and y'all were tearing me apart like a dog looking for its bone in the backyard. Jeez. I got it wrapped around for a nice little blue glow. It matches the JDevise sign so beautifully. Looks great on stream. GoV lights, I don't even know how much it was. I got it on Amazon. Shout out GoV. They even tweeted at me. This isn't anything new. The G Fuel fridge, I'll just give y'all a better look for anybody who hasn't seen it before. Bang, bang. They hooked it up. Shout out Dr. Blue Jay. I also just got this bad boy. Target was selling these Xbox Series X replica mini fridges. It was $100. I figured I had to get it. Even if I don't open it, I don't know, who knows, maybe we'll sell it one day. I hope you guys enjoyed the updated setup, and now we will begin the unboxing. I'll leave my P.O. box in the description of the video. If there's anything you guys want to send my way, feel free, no big deal. Just make sure that there's no nuts of any kind. I do have an allergy. I don't want to die. First up on the list, we have Mr. Tim Bible. Shout out my absolute boy. I know he asked for it recently. As of right now, up until this moment, I was pretty much just telling people to DM me if they wanted the P.O. box, but we're going to leave it in the description now. Yo, Jay, just wanted to say thanks for all the great content. Look forward to watching every day. If you ever need a cheap vacation, come through, fam. Got a PC setup and spare room ready. Tim Bible. Yo, Tim, I freaking love you, man. That was awesome. That was very sweet. I definitely appreciate the offer for a free vacay. Although I do enjoy vacationing like everybody does, man, it's so hard for me to get away from this setup, bro. I love grinding so dang much. But Tim, listen, you better be serious, because I might take you up on that one day. I'm gonna save that postcard and I'm gonna grab a magnet and I'm gonna put that on my fridge. Shout out Tim Bible. The next thing we're gonna open is from my boy Ethan Purcell. Ethan, I apologize if I butcher your last name. I think Ethan sent two things. This is just one of them. It looks like it's a shirt. Hold up. Wait a minute. Y'all see that? King of Warzone. There can only be one. Bro, I need to like frame this up. It's like on the side of the room. Ethan, thank you so much, brother. I really love this shirt. I'm gonna wash this bad boy and wear it ASA freaking P. Much love, baby. I believe this is also from Ethan. All right. I think he asked me what my shoe size was. Oh, dang. Wait, hold up. What are these? What are those? Mag toe? I think that's what it says. Mag toe? Y'all ever hear of mag toe? I'm not familiar with mag toe. Ethan, what did you send my way, Papa? Hold up. Are these some freaking high quality slippers? He's got the hard bottoms, bro. You know, we running outside to get the mail in these, brother. Oh, let's try them on. Yo, these seem comfy, bro. Looks like you're about to be walking on a cloud in these bad boys. Mag toe, baby. Let's throw these on. Ooh, no way. No way. Hold up. What's in the toe? A little surprise in the toe. Yo, what are we talking about? These are mad comfy. Dude, they're like walking on a cloud, my man. Ethan, thank you so much for the mag toe slippies and the King of Warzone shirt, my man. Much love. Last but not least, this is from, I believe, my pal Morgan. Where are you? I have an idea of what this is, but I don't know exactly what it is though. We're kind of just going with the flow. Okay, okay. Ooh, looks like a bottle. It's enclosed. Imported Italian brandy. Yo, Morgan. Yeah, this is definitely from Morgan. I'm pretty sure Morgan wanted me to take a shot on stream. Morgan, if you're watching this video right now, the next time you're in stream, I'm gonna leave this right by my setup. The next time we're in stream, we're gonna take one of these bad Larrys together. We're gonna take a little shot ski. It's dark, but for you, I'll do it. Shout out Tim, Ethan, and Morgan for the love. I really appreciate the mail, you guys. Plus, I see you guys in stream every single day, so thank you for the love and support there as well. If anybody else wants to send some mail to the P.O. Box, feel free. It is in the description if you want to check it out. Other than that, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Make sure you guys leave a like and subscribe for more weekly content here on JDevise IRL. I will see you in the next one.